there, it's Denise here. Hope you're having an amazing day. Before we get started, be sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of these updates. Today, I'm going to answer 4 of the top asked questions. I get them all the time about how you're going to feel after you have your hysterectomy. Are you ready? Number 1. Will I have instant menopause? Well, if you're having a hysterectomy, it's surgically removing your uterus, but that question, actually, the answer depends on if you have your ovaries, if they leave your ovaries or if they take them out. In my case, they took my ovaries out. So yes, I went into instant menopause. The worst part of that was probably the hot flashes. I personally think that, this is just remember, this is all my experience. And the reason I do these videos is because I get a lot of questions. I've been very open about my hysterectomy and how I felt after all of it. For me, I did get the hot flashes, but it seemed like it was a slow progression into menopause. I was still having a period at 53. So I think my hormones were still in my body, and that's what helped it be a slow progression into menopause. But yes, if you have your ovaries removed, you will definitely go into menopause, because that's surgically induced menopause. Number 2, I'm looking at my computer over here. I have to put this over here because of the light coming in from the window. I didn't feel like bringing out the light ring. Number 2, will the procedure affect my bladder or cause urinary problems? Again, this is my experience. In the beginning, no, I didn't have any problems. Today, 6 years afterwards, yes, I'm starting to have some problems, and I'm waiting to make a doctor's appointment in this crazy environment we have of COVID. But because y'all know I'm a fitness instructor, so when I'm doing jumping jacks, or if I push it too long with my water, by the way, this is a 40-ounce thing of water. I'll drink 2 to 3, well, minimum 2, probably 3 of these a day. If you want to feel better immediately, that's what you need to do. But if I push it too long, because I do drink so much water, I will end up running to the bathroom, sometimes barely making it until I get into the doctor's appointment. I am using those little mini urinary incontinence pads, especially when I'm teaching my fitness classes, because I am jumping, and it will cause a gush with me. But again, I am now 6 years after my hysterectomy. In the beginning, I did not have that problem. Number 3, will my pelvic organs prolapse? That I have not had a problem with, and I'm not sure about that question. So all I can say is, regarding that one, I really recommend you talk to your doctor. Now, I do have friends that have experienced that. Me, I have not experienced that, so I really can't respond to that one very well. And when is it safe to resume intimacy with your partner, and how will it feel? Will it feel the same? Will it hurt? Well, you have to listen to the doctor on that, because you don't want to, again, push something too early and you cause a whole other range of problems. So you must take the time to heal on the inside. You may feel okay on the outside, but you've got to heal on the inside. And a perfect example of that, I was walking every day, and because they give you these, for me, they had me on pain pills, and if they'd left me on, I can see why people get addicted to those things. But for 1 week, I was on pain pills. I was walking every day because I can't sit still, because I feel better when I exercise. That's why I do what I do. It's about an overall feeling of well-being for me. But I was out there. I have 3 rescue horses at the time. Now I have 2, but I was out there and I was spreading horse manure, feeling fine, wonderful. Well, after the pain pill wore off, I felt it all on my stomach. So you've got to be very, very aware of that. Allow your body the time it must have to heal. inside, healing on the inside. You look okay on the outside, but you do have a recovery time frame on the inside. As for the second part of that, will it feel the same? For me, no. I don't have a cervix. Now, if you have your cervix, it may feel the same. Vaginal dryness could be a problem. Take your time, enjoy every aspect of being intimate with your partner or your husband, your spouse, whatever it may be. And take your time, make sure your body is ready for that intimacy. I don't really want to get into the, grungy part about, not grungy, because I don't think intimacy is grungy, but I don't want to really get into the intense details of that. So what I'm going to say, because I have already done that in a different video, so go back and find that video. But what I'm going to say is, will it feel the same? That depends on you and what your hysterectomy was. And as far as the other part of that with menopause and the vaginal dryness, take your time. Enjoy it. Don't try to rush it, and don't let anybody rush you. Okay? Woman to woman, I get that. So I hope that answers your questions. Let me see. Yeah, that's a top 4. And a lot of women are just embarrassed to talk to their doctors about that. I asked my doctors these questions, didn't really get the answers, but I did get the answers from the nurse in the not in the nursing home, in the pre-op, which was kind of nice. So I'm trying to get 2 videos recorded today, because I'm committed to staying on track with this for you. So be sure you subscribe. The next video will be, again, back on the midsection. Yes, girls, I'm struggling with you at 59. Pilates is helping, which is why I've changed my fitness classes to incorporate Pilates. You can get that link. I'll put that link below. And eating clean. So I'll chat with y'all soon. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. You can get me, you can comment below. I always reply. And howtostayfitover50.com. DeniseSanger@gmail.com. Chat with you soon. I'm always here for you. Bye.